Guys, the altcoins are heating up. We've got GRT, the graph, up 10.28% this morning. We've got Render up 11.48. We're in all of these. IMX is up 9.04 and Near is up 12.88%. We actually aren't in Near, but we're in everything else. Guys, what I've been showing our members lately and what I've been talking to you guys about is one, how we get into low entries. And we ended up buying around this area here, $60,000 worth of altcoins and Bitcoin. And our account, actually within the last 5 days, I'll just tell this to the team, we're up $78,971 in the last 5 days, and our account is up $211,000. Guys, in our membership, I'm unshamefully going to talk about our membership. I share with you guys exactly what my portfolio looks like, and to show you guys, this is a real account here. And I don't mean this to be like pride or whatever, but I feel like we're one of the only YouTube channels that actually go into our membership and show live profits that we take, we enter, we exit from the market, so everything's transparent. And so here's what I want to do today, guys, is I want to get you guys excited. We're going to show a chart tomorrow in what we call our future forecast. And this can be found on our homepage here under future forecast. And it's going to show you guys the one chart, in my opinion, why I believe Bitcoin within probably the next 2 or 3 weeks could skyrocket up here and past 70,000. But here's the thing, is that you guys are not going to find this from the candle patterns. And in fact, if I'm just being really honest, part of this is not even going to be found by any indicators you guys use because it's a macroeconomic event that's going to happen. I'm not talking about rate cuts because rate cuts are usually bearish. And the last time Bitcoin went through a Fed rate cut, Bitcoin actually dropped over 50%. What I'm looking at is something different. There's massive divergence going on, and if you guys can understand how the liquidity in the world works, there is a massive bullish divergence right now, and the last 2 times we've seen this, Bitcoin's price shot up like crazy. This is why we've been consistent on buying in the extreme buy zone, and we bought down here, we bought into the carry trade low, and we've been seeing great appreciation in our accounts. So let me give you guys just a little overview of where I think this market's going to go. What we've been seeing lately is, first off, let's start on the lows. We buy when we see TC market reversals with the green bar down here. We see trades in favor low. These indicators are in the description. Grab a membership. We'll give you guys a ton of money off it. What I want you guys to see is when we get these green bars here, this is where we're starting to see price move back up. And if you guys have been dollar cost averaging into these green bars, we specifically designed this so we call out trade setups when we see low points in the market. Guys, the trade setups we've called out, we are not 100, we are 219 wins and 0 losses. And this is open to the public. Like literally, guys, come in here and look at all the screenshots of the entries and exits. You can see every single trade we have won and all the trades that are active right now, okay? How are we able to get this high win rate? Because some of you guys watching this are like, man, I would love to just win 5 to 10 trades in a row. What we're doing is we are watching for specific market structures with indicators. The whale money flow indicator, it tells us when money is moving out of the market and when whales are selling. When whales sell, we can actually see in here from past historical data, when do whales sell and when do they start buying again? Well, they buy, like strangely enough, around the same levels. So when we start seeing the market come back down to a level where whales sold before, this is where we anticipate market moves back up. So this is point number 1. Point number 2, if we get a green bar on TC market reversals, which basically means the structure itself of crypto is massively oversold to the downside, if it's oversold structure-wise, and then it's oversold based off the flow of money and trades in favor, which works on structure as well, if this is an 80% chance or higher of the market reversing, guys, I'm not your financial advisor, but this is where we're taking entries right here. We're taking it down here. And you guys know why we called this out into all of our memberships. So my point is guys, tomorrow morning in our future forecast, I want you guys to grab a membership. We charge $59 a month and we give you guys 8 forecasts every month. And this is how we've been able to make money, and we're up over $200,000 in our account. And I really do think this massive bull run is going to start. And I actually think, guys, the more I've been looking at charts, I spent 5 hours last night on charts and also looking at bullish and bearish biased on YouTube here. I think we're actually going to get a reverse crash. I think a lot of people are thinking that the stock market's going to crash because interest rates dropped and they're looking at past data. I'm actually thinking that we are going to see a reverse crash here and we're going to see a massive pump. I do think inflation is going to skyrocket as well if that does happen. But what I'm seeing with the Fed printing money, I think we are in for a huge surprise, and we are not going to go back down to $40,000 and $35,000 as some people are looking at to fulfill the support down here. I don't see that. I actually see this being a massive bear trap where we could potentially come back down lower here, and then we start pushing back up. And I think the rest of September, October, and November is going to be more bullish than you guys think. And I'm going to show you guys the reasons of why I think that tomorrow. And we're not going to release this on YouTube. So guys, when you get a chance after this video, I'm serious. If you guys want to take all of our trade setups, we have the highest record ever recorded for cryptocurrency. Go to tradeconfident.io. There's a link in the description here. Sign up. It's $59 a month. Tomorrow morning, watch the future forecast. You guys can watch the previous ones I've done here. We do it every Tuesday and Friday. Show you guys all the trades we're taking. If you want to take trade setups, go under trade setups. You guys can see all the live trade setups we have. I think I might have just given one away right there. And we just called one out this morning, so you guys can take that if you would like. But I really think you guys are going to enjoy trading over here. And I just keep everything open to our members. Every single point of profit, every entry, every exit. And we've been doing very well. And the market has been going up here. And I think it's going to continue up here. I don't think we're going to get a massive drop like people are expecting. I think we're going to break the bull flag here. And things are going to get really, really, they're going to get really lucrative for people. And really, you guys need to start planning on what you're going to do with your money when you reach a certain account balance. And we're going to start talking about that more this month, because I think the market's going to shoot up here. I'm not talking about an immediate shot up. I think we could maybe retest here, but I'm thinking the next 2-3 months, we are going to get actually more bullish than most of you guys think. And if you're not prepared to take some profits out, then you're just going to have a fancy number on the screen and you're not going to do anything and you're not going to change your lives. That's what I'm coaching you guys on, okay? I love you guys. God bless. Enjoy Jake's videos coming out today, but I want to come out with this. Say, grab a membership. I will show you tomorrow why I'm so bullish, and I will continue to coach you guys in the future forecast at tradeconfident.io. God bless you guys. I love you, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Bye-bye.